Imagine your restaurant runs itself. Prices adjust automatically, prep lists appear precisely when needed, and promotional posts go live across all platforms while you sleep soundly. I didn't just dream of this. I built it, transforming a complex vision into a tangible reality for the modern restaurant industry. This revolutionary system is called the MenuOps Agent, and it was meticulously crafted entirely within VS Code, leveraging the cutting-edge capabilities of Codex and GPT-5. The best part is, you don't just have to imagine it. You can download it yourself, run it locally on your own system, and witness its powerful automation in action firsthand. MenuOps is specifically designed to empower restaurants by significantly boosting their profits and drastically cutting down on a tedious planning time. It intelligently handles all aspects of pricing, manages complex inventory, and orchestrates effective promotions, all while incorporating essential approval workflows directly into its core functionality, ensuring control and compliance. Remarkably, this entire sophisticated system, from its intricate backend to its intuitive frontend, including all the specialized agents and comprehensive tests, originated from just one single powerful prompt within VS Code using the new Microsoft Agent Framework. Every single file you see, every line of code is not merely a concept material. It's runnable and fully functional code that drives the MenuOps agent. Codex, a specialized variant of GPT-5 meticulously tuned for coding tasks, is responsible for generating the foundational framework and intricate code structure. Meanwhile, GPT-5 itself provides the advanced cognitive processing, handling the complex decision making and strategic thinking. Together, this powerful duo effectively built an AI chef that not only codes with precision but also intelligently manages and optimizes kitchen operations. Getting MenuOps Agent up and running locally on your machine is a straightforward process that takes mere minutes. You simply need to clone the repository, install the necessary dependencies, and then launch the application. This quick setup allows you to immediately dive in and experience the power of an AI-driven restaurant management system. The architecture of MenuOps Agent is thoughtfully designed to mirror the efficient flow of real-world kitchen. At the top, you have the user interface providing an accessible control panel. In the middle, the agent graph orchestrates specialized functions like pricing, forecasting, content generation, and robotic process automation. Below this, the system seamlessly manages data and executes actions, ensuring a smooth and integrated operation. This meticulously layered approach, built using the new Microsoft Agent Framework, incorporates a crucial human-in-the-loop gate, ensuring that critical decisions always have human oversight and approval. Furthermore, an integrated Azure or OpenAI switch provides flexibility and redundancy, guaranteeing robust, secure, and highly controlled operations under various conditions, enhancing both reliability and adaptability. When you click the optimize pricing, the agent springs into action, meticulously analyzes current sales data and operational costs. It intelligently flags any proposed changes that exceed 7% threshold, identifying them as a potential risky. Before any price adjustments are published, the system automatically requests human approval, ensuring strategic oversight and preventing unintended financial impacts. Next, with a single click on a plan inventory, the system initiates a sophisticated time series forecast. This advanced prediction model accurately anticipates future demands, then seamlessly translates that forecast into a detailed prep list for your kitchen staff and generates precise purchase orders from your suppliers, streamlining your entire procurement process. This powerful inventory feature intelligently blends historical sales data, analyzes price elasticity, and even incorporates real-time weather signals to create exceptionally precise prep and procurement plans. By considering these diverse factors, MenuOps ensures that your kitchen is always optimally stocked, minimizing waste, and maximizing efficiency. Finally, the Promote Specials features allows you to effortlessly create compelling captions and engaging images for your latest offerings. Once approved, the integrated RPA agent takes over, automatically updating your chosen online portals and social media channels, ensuring your promotions reach your audience without any manual effort. Restaurants who will implement the MenuOps agent will report remarkable improvements across their operations. They'll experience up to a 6% increase in the profit margin, a significant 40% reduction in the planning time, and an impressive 20% decrease in the food waste, demonstrating the tangible and measurable impact of this AI-driven solution. These significant improvements are not just theoretical, they are tracked live and displayed prominently on the dashboard, providing real-time insights into the agent's tangible impact. This transparency allows restaurant owners and managers to continuously monitor performance and make data-driven decisions with confidence. MenuOps Agent is a versatile solution perfectly suited for a wide array of food service establishments, including quick service restaurants, hotels, campus dining facilities, and modern cloud kitchens. It seamlessly integrates and pairs with other specialized agents, such as inventory, reservation, food safety, and delivery agents, to provide a comprehensive platform capable of running entire restaurant operations with unparalleled efficiency. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of the MenuOps agent for yourself? The prompt link is conveniently located below this video, along with the GitHub link in the description. Simply run it locally on your system and witness firsthand how this innovative AI solution can empower your menu to run itself, freeing up valuable time and resources. If you found this demonstration insightful and are excited by the potential of AI in restaurant technology, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more innovative AI builds and in-depth explorations of Codex and GPT-5 in action, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.